MS Smart wheel alignments are accurate, easy to use. You can use it whenever and wherever. Moreover, you can use it on any car types.
Instructions and QR code for joining the line group. Hook. 2 turn plates. Measuring tape. 2 line ropes. 2 front scale plates. 2 rear scale plates. Cross-line plumb spots laser. Distance laser. Digital camber gauge.
First step, put the car onto the turn plate. Okay. If I can do it, you can too. Attach the scale plates to the wheels. Attach the red ones to the front wheel and the black ones to the rear wheels. Secondly, we have to measure the camber angle. We can adjust the T-slide to the rim of the wheel. The scale have to be either same or similar. Be careful of the scars. It will make the measurement less precise. You can move it a little bit so you wouldn't touch the scars. Insert the hook into the hole. Then you hook the strings, then pull it right in, as so. To make our life easier, temporarily attach the plate to the wheel. Adjust the laser to the camber arrow right here on top of the plate. You can read the measurement right here on these scales, and it is minus 1.4 degrees. You can pull the string tighter to secure it in place. This step is very important for accuracy, but it is very easy to do. Turn on the laser right here. Next, place the laser as close to the wheel as possible. Then, try making the laser beam hit the number 0 on this scale. Make sure that the laser also hit that sensor receiving plate, as so. Place the laser receiving plate next to the laser beam as close as possible. Like this. We have to do the exact same thing on the other side. Make sure you don't touch that plate over there. Do the exact same thing on this side. Make sure the laser beam hit the number 0 on these scales, and make sure the laser beam hit that laser receiving plate in the rear, on the rear plate. But instead of the plate, we use this laser right here. It will measure the distance between the laser and the plate. Press this red button. Place it as near to the laser as possible. It is 2083 millimeters. MS Smart wheel alignments are accurate, easy to use. You can use it whenever and wherever.
Turn on the laser and place it as near to the wheel as possible. Make sure that the laser beam hits the number 0 on this scale. Then press the red button so we know the measurement. It is 2082 millimeters wide. Subtract the width of the front and the rear wheel tracks, and the difference comes to 1. Place a string onto the number 0 on this scale right here. The reason we place a string on number 0 is because the difference between the front and the rear wheel tracks is under 0. Place the other end of the string onto number 0 as well. Then read the measurement right here on this scale. It is in 2. After adjusting the toe angle, we'll start measuring the front wheel. Place this end of the string right here onto number 0 on this scale. On this end of the string, we'll place it on number 0 as well. Then read the measurement right here on this scale. It is 0 millimeters. With this easy step, you can align your wheels using MS Smart Wheel Alignment at home. This is another example for an uneven wheel tracks. It is 2071 millimeters wide. 2083 minus 2071, it is equal to 12. Then divide 12 by 2, you will get 6. Come with me to measure the toe angle.
Okay, so 12 divided by 2 is 6, right? And the scale doesn't have 6, so we'll choose the next best thing, which is 5. So we place the string on the 5 and place it on the negative side of the scale. Why we have to place negative sides is because the front wheel is wider than the rear wheel. And then we'll read the measurement right here. After we're done with the rear wheel, we'll measure the front wheel. So we'll place the string at 5 on the positive side because the rear wheel is more narrow than the front wheel. Then we'll place this one at 0, and then we'll read the measurement right here. It is 2. It is 2 millimeters out.